Hi, I'm Jenna Stevenson and I've just finished my Level 3 Digital Marketing Apprenticeship with NowSkills. So before the exam I felt a little bit nervous because I didn't know what kind of questions would come up, but my tutor gave me access to mock exams to complete, which gave me more of an idea of what might be included, as well as just resources to go through and revise with. So I passed two of my exams on the first go, but one of my exams I had a little bit of a struggle with and managed to pass it on the third go. But after the first and second attempt on the third exam, I just spoke to my tutor and he gave me more resources to revise with, and I managed to pass the exam. Someone from the NowSkills team should get in contact with you and send you a date and location and time where you'll sit your exam, and then all you have to do is attend really and just sit the exam. So for example, when you take your GCSE or exams in college, you normally go to a hall and sit them and write them on a piece of paper or something, but the exams with NowSkills and in your apprenticeship are taken by yourself, and you'll also do it on a computer, and they'll be a lot shorter. They won't last over an hour or so. The advice I'd give is just to make sure that you revise and use the resources that your tutor sends across to you, and just don't worry too much because the exams are specific to your apprenticeship.